Hello, I'm Barbara Harvey, and a number of times I have been asked if you can record video, doing video tutorials, etc., sort of very cheaply. Well, yes, you can. You can do it for free by using a open source software called Camstudio. Now, Camstudio doesn't have all the bells and whistles of Camtasia, but neither does it have the $300 price tag. The only problem there is with Camtasia version 2 is that unless you do a workaround to it, it can't be seen in Firefox or Netscape. But I will show you a very simple workaround, and it is very simple at the end of the tutorial, so that your videos will be able to be seen in any browser. So to begin with, let's just start by downloading the software. So you go to camstudio.org and then scroll down till you come to here, and then click on the Camstudio exe file here. They do have a 2.6 version, but it's in beta testing, and I would rather wait until all the bugs are out of it before I use it. And then you will also need to download the lossless codecs, the exe file here. So once you've done that, you will then have the product here. Now, to set it up, you go to region, fix region, and if you want to put it on YouTube or something like that, then the width would be 640, the height would be 360, and you want to check the drag corners to pan. Click OK. Up to options, video options. Now this is where you will use your Camstudio lossless codecs that you downloaded. Now if it doesn't show when you click on that, then it'll be in here. Don't use the Microsoft Video one because you'll end up with huge files. Set the quality to 100, configure, make sure that the LZO is checked, and you've got level 6. Click OK. Set the keyframes to 60, capture frames every 50, playback rate 20, and make sure that this is unchecked. Click OK. Options, cursor options. This is obviously the cursor that we're used to. You can use a custom cursor if you want to, but that's up to you. You can highlight the cursor. I've got it highlighted with a yellow circle. Size, again, you can have what you like, different sizes, or, different shapes, or different colours. That again is a personal choice. Click on that. Go back to options. Now, obviously when you're recording your tutorials, you're going to want to have this checked, record audio from microphone. Obviously I'm not doing that, otherwise we'd end up with two audio versions going on, which would be very confusing. Go to audio options, audio and video synchronization. Make sure that's checked. Click OK. Back to options. Enable auto pan. Then go down to program options. Now here you want to use the user specified directory so that you know where all your files are without any messing around, so that you can go and sort out the workaround afterwards. So if you click on that, and then you'll pick your folder that's on your desktop and click OK. Back to options. Sorry. That's all there is. Like keyboard shortcuts. You can set up your keyboard to have shortcuts so that you can just press the keys for record, pause, stop key, and cancel recording. Click OK. Right, I'm just going to open this up and then open the Studio up again and click on record. You'll get this sort of little box. So if you click there, and then if you put in here, say, and then we go to Google Maps, click on Google Maps and put in, say, Edinburgh. Obviously you could open files on your on your computer, whatever you want to, whatever it is you're doing for your tutorial. So once you've finished doing whatever it is you want, click back to camstudio and click stop. Make a file up, say test, and then you'll see the player window. You can click on the play and then it will show what you've recorded. So let's just close that down for a minute, because what we want to do now is to go to tools and go to the SWF producer, so it converts your AVI file to a flash file. If you go to here, bring that down here, and this little one here converts AVI to flash. So if you click on that, click on your test, and then you say where do you want to save the flash file to, so we'll have it in the video test as well, and where do you want to save the HTML file, and we've got that on the same one as well. That's fine. So if we leave everything else as it is, you don't really want to add a loop, so then yep, we're okay to go. Click OK. It will then generate the file. I'll just stop this for a while because it takes a little while. Right, so now we've done that, if you go over to your folder you've got on your desktop, you will see these files. Let's just see if I can bring that in a little bit. There you go, I should be able to see that. Now if you right click this and you say open with Firefox, eventually, you will see absolutely nothing, because this is the bug in it. And if you close that down and you then right click this and open with Notepad, now if you see here, it's got I've lost it. Oh, there it is. Object class, and then you've got height and width here. Now if you go down to embed src here, you'll see it's got width and height here. Now all you have to do is to change these two to match these two. So if you go, width is 641, so width is 641, height is 394, file, save, close it down, go to here, open with Firefox. And there you have it playing in Firefox. So it is possible to make it play in all the browsers without any problem. And that is the end of my tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and you can now do your tutorials and it will cost you absolutely nothing. Thank you.